Hi traders. This is a very popular question that some people ask, or the majority of the traders have in their heads. I had the same question and I started to feel angry with this time separation. However, I dig deep into Ichimoku's time theory, and after my observations, time theory was very true. Goichi Hosoda that created the system was right, but even I hold my respect for him and his system. I tried various systems that defy time in charts. A system like Renko and Range charts replaced my daily activity and focused strongly on them. Pure price action at its best. As TradingView says, the results using these charts may not be the ones that are reported by the strategy tester. That is the case. For example, in Renko charts the most important is the brick size, but there is still the participation time regarding the time needed to draw the bricks. In range bars, there is no time at all. So I return to normal Japanese candle bars that at least give me valid stats from the strategy tester. Let's discuss now the time frames we all know. Time is a human creation to help him maintain the tasks. The same is valid for the time in our trading charts. Time frames are connected with trading styles that have a direct relation to them. For example, the scalper, the day trader, the swing trader, etc. Each of the trading styles touches on different time frames, but I will go a bit further and I will say my personal opinion too. This is not advice, but what I do for my trading, and my trading only. The world is boiling, different scenarios are on the table, nothing is stopped, and nothing is over. Whatever started is still in motion. Certain events have closed and some others will open. As I said in video 037, I don't believe in luck, I don't believe in random stuff, and this is not only for trading. To restore the operation in a computer, from a program that crashed, to make it work again, you press the button reset. To build something new, you should collapse what occupied the space and start building from scratch. Whatever mindset someone has, the nothing happens, or the something happens, we all agree that the system has huge stability holes, either you call it inflation or uncertainty or less consumer power or market exploitation. If someone decides to pull the string, events will unroll faster than they are now. I'm a contrarian in terms of investing, but I see things that surpass contrarian borders and enter the preserve and sustain territory. Maybe I can make a video for it too, but I'm hesitant to discuss these stuff. They create a negative feeling to people and I don't want this to happen. With all these in mind, I would never go above 1 hour time frame. My own selections are 1 minute to 1 hour. A more narrow selection would be 5 or 15-minute time frames. I start most of the strategy testing using 15 minutes and drop to lower time frames if I don't like what I see. Remember that I'm an algo trader. If I find something good in 1 minute, I don't stand in front of the computer. I automate it and check the results later. So if you're not, this does take a lot of monitor staring. The reason for low time frames is because I have a sense of the market direction in the long run, but nothing is certain. Low time frames are not only for greedy people that want to have more trades. They're also for people who don't want to be affected by sudden and huge moves. In low time frames, there is a different aspect of the time frame multiverse. Even as noisy, all directions are present. With a proper low broker commission, low time frames give me more options. If I was in 2015, I would choose higher time frames like the 4 hours or the daily. In fact, I had my most successful times with the daily time frame. I stopped using it for some years now because the risk level increased to the sky. A trader that wants to do this professionally in the long run should embed a system in his head that will analyze the risk of the actions he takes. The presence of ROI, the known return on investment, haunts my thoughts. If you want to ask me something, put your question in the comments. Maybe I can create a video reply for you in one of the next videos. See you in the next ideas, hints video. If you have anything to say or suggestions for the current strategies or strategies you want to test, do let me know in the comments. Remember, finding an edge to your trading and applying proper risk management and psychology is the recipe for success. Thanks for your time. Sincerely, the trading elephant himself.